Well, hello there everyone, David your hungry hairy Scotsman here once again. Well, as you can see from the car, I've been over getting some plywood for a couple of wee jobs at our local trade centre, which is over at the back of me there. And I was getting a bit on the peckish side, so I thought, oh, there's a little food van sitting over there. And it's called Scrumptious Snacks. They do so much stuff, it's unbelievable. I couldn't even list it, there's so much stuff there. So I thought, right, what am I going to have? So, let's put you on here. You bit squint, but it will stick you. That's better. There you go, I can see you now. Now, I would get my wee table out, but unfortunately it's buried under all that wood. So, what did I decide to get? Well, if I reach over here, I got a little burger, which is a double cheese, double bacon burger. The cheese is trying to escape and it's stuck to all the paper. So, let's try and open this up. My God. This thing weighs almost what I do. Check out that. There's 2 burger patties, 2 bits of cheese, and there's onions, 4 bits of bacon, and that was £7.80. But wow, this thing is massive. It's print. It's so big. This is taking me. Wow. Let's give it a bite. Wow. This has so much taste. That makes these fast food places seem like a joke. I mean, what would I rather have, this or a Whopper? Being honest, I think that's a no-brainer. You know what I think about the Whoppers. This is proper steak burgers, virtually. The bacon's really good quality, it's thick, it's well cooked. It's got the cheese, it's got the onions which were cut and cooked on the top of the thing there. I mean, look at that. I mean, that is massive. Wow. That is wow. That's the only way I can describe that as wow. I'm going to pop this over here for a minute. Like that. Because I also got a little napkin with a wooden fork in it, which goes along with, ow, red hot chips and curry sauce. This is so dang, This is where I wish I had my wee table. Right, let's have a wee try of this. They're good chips. curry sauce on the chips. Wow. Well, that's a nice curry. It's quite sweet. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really good. That's well worth it. I think that was £3.60. Let's see if I can get this burger. Wow. I cannot believe what that burger weighs. But let's do a wee selfie with that. The burger, chips and curry sauce, and me. That is unbelievably hot temperature wise. That is, well, what was it? £11.20 for the two things there it cost me. It's not overly cheap, but that is a really good bowl or sort of group of set of chips and curry sauce. That is really nice. That burger, that is massive. I mean, I reckon there's at least a pound in that in weight, easily a pound. Probably near £1.25 easily. And it's yummy. It's so good. The onions have just got a nice little caramelised taste to them. I can taste the cheese, which is unusual with that, the peel up cheese, the plastic cheese stuff. The bacon's really nice. I think I said that. The burger meat is just yum. And it's cooked properly as well. You can actually taste it. It's done on a flat top. So that's been well seasoned. The bacon was done on it as well. Yeah, that is so good. So burger, chips and curry sauce. So, if you're ever near Edinburgh, at Hermiston Gate, near the B&Q, you cannot miss this place. These burgers are stunning. That is the only way I can describe them. Makes all these fast food places just... Why? I suppose for quickness, but on saying that, these were cooked in front of me. What did it say? The guy and the lassie that were in there, really pleasant, really nice to talk to, and it was well under 10 minutes for the lot of it to get done, and from me getting there to coming back to the car. You can't go wrong with that, can you? 10 minutes and you get some proper food. One problem, you have to be snake jaw to eat it. Getting your jaws wrapped around this, if you've got a small mouth, no chance. You'll be nibbling away at it like a wee mouse. I mean, You see the size of that. That is so good. Right, well, I'm going to toddle off just now because you don't want to see me just sitting munching away on that. It's not exactly exciting. I'll get all this wood back to the house, get it all fitted up hopefully, and hopefully I'll see you all very soon. If you like these videos, I would appreciate it if you hit the wee red button if you haven't already. I've noticed my numbers are going up. I'm so happy with that. Thank you so much for everyone who's joined in. If you've got any places round about here as well to suggest to me, I've got a couple of places I've got still to go to. But as I say, this was just right place, right time. And I've found a little gem. That is so good. You can probably tell I like it by the amount of times I've said it's so good. So, take care of yourselves, everyone. Hopefully see you again soon, as I've already said. See you later.